Hello, how's it going? I'm Mari, if you don't know me, and today I am going to try the KonMARI method. I mean, I figured it has my name in it, so I might as well try it out. I am just going to be tidying up my clothing. I'm excited. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, there's a woman named Marie Kondo, and she started this method called the KonMARI method, Magic Art of Tidying Up. And it's all about you only keep things in your house that spark joy and that make you like feel good. And then she has all these methods of folding stuff really nicely and putting it all back really mindfully and consciously, and just it's about kind of really like feeling all of your items, and you know, you only keep stuff around you that brings you joy. Ever since I heard about it when the book came out years ago, I thought it was intriguing, and now there's a Netflix show that I've watched a few episodes on, and it inspired me to do this. For those of you who are new to my channel, in about 3 months I will be setting out on the Pacific Crest Trail. It's a 2,600-mile walk across the US. I'm going to be having to move out of my apartment and really downsize all my stuff. I feel like this is a good time just to get a head start on just getting rid of stuff. So the idea behind this method for clothing, you take everything out of all your drawers, out of your closet, your wardrobe, and everything, and you make a big pile so you can see all of your clothes at once. And I feel like the intention is that you're gonna have such a huge pile that it's gonna be like, whoa, that's way too much stuff, and then you'll want to get rid of more. Yeah, so let's get into it. I'll show you some of my drawers. Socks, too much stuff, very messy. I have my shirts. Okay, yep, very messy. Ooh. Here is my closet. Please don't judge me. They look really bad at this moment. I also knew I was filming this, so I've just been like haphazardly putting stuff away. Let's move everything to the bed. Okay, everything is out. It feels like a lot of stuff, especially considering when I first came to New Zealand, all I had was a backpack, but looking at it all now feels like a lot. So I'm just gonna make a few piles. I'll make one to keep, one to donate, and then one to just throw away stuff that is just not worth anyone wearing. I was watching a little clip of Marie Kondo to get me in the mood to do this, and she really says you have to touch each item. So you pick it up, and then if it makes you feel like joy, then you keep it. If it makes you feel kind of just like meh, then you don't. These pants, I don't feel joy when I touch them. After I sort through all this, I'll show you guys how to fold. Exciting. Does this spark joy? I think so. Hey, remember that one time when I was like, hey, I'm gonna make more of these and sell them? Hopefully very soon. I did get something else very exciting though that I'm going to share with you guys soon. So the other thing that I forgot to mention is that before you get rid of something, you're supposed to thank it and move on. Have any of you guys tried this yet? Let me know. I'd be interested to see how it's worked for you. One of the reasons that I've been looking so much at all the gear that I want to bring and doing all this research for the PCT is just that when you have such minimal clothing, like I really want to love every single thing I have. Also, I feel like the fact that I'm going to be having just one main outfit for 6 months makes this feel a lot easier. Traveling in general actually makes it easier to pare down, because once you just travel with only a backpack or, you know, one suitcase or something, you realize how little you actually need or how little you actually wear. Watching for a while, then you might remember when Nick and I were in Vietnam and we did the $11 couples outfit challenge, and he got me this. So far I've filled up a whole bag of stuff to donate. I've separated the stuff I'm keeping into kind of piles of similar things, and now I will show you the folding technique. So the main idea is that everything stands upright in your drawer, so when you pull it open you can see everything you have. Put in the sides, like so. Then fold it 1/3 down. She's always doing it like this. Okay, so now the test is to see if it will stand up. Ta-da! Okay, so jeans and pants you're gonna want to fold the same way. So you start off like this. You're gonna fold in this little bit here, so it's like one streamlined piece. Fold down. Onto the sock drawer. Marie says not to like bunch them up like this because it will wear out the elastic. The more appropriate thing to do is you just very nicely put them together, do the fold, and then they can all stand up in your drawer cutely. Got all my socks folded. I just wanted to mention for all you fellow PCT thru hikers that might be interested in this, I got some toe socks these are the Injinji toe socks that a lot of thru hikers wear. Thought I would just try them out. I really like them so far. I've been wearing them to work on long shifts when I'm walking around a lot. So far I feel like they're pretty good, so yeah, I'm excited. Had to mention that to you guys. I just finished. That took actually a long time. It's like nighttime, but it felt really good. I'm happy with it, and I'm happy that everything is all organized, and now I just hope I can keep it organized. Here's my bag to donate, and this one is my bag of trash. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa! Look how nice. In this one we have some sweaters, t-shirts, and tank tops. And then down here we have sleeping clothes, athletic clothes, lounge clothes, and jeans and shorts. So what I really like about this type of organization is that you can just open the drawer, see everything you have, and then just easily pick out the one thing you want. And then since you folded everything so it stands up, hopefully all the rest don't just fall over like dominoes when you take out one thing. It looks really nice right now. I hope it works in practice, but I like it so far. The method that I usually use to fold my clothes, I also stand them up, but they're really skinny and they always fall over, and that's how it gets so messy. So I feel pretty good about it. Here is my closet. I've got some sweaters and some jeans up there that didn't fit in the drawer. Plenty of room, so that's good. I heard something about you're supposed to angle everything. It brings more joy that way or something, I don't know. So that was KonMARI with Mari. Hope that was maybe inspiring to you, and now you can go organize your clothes. Let me know how it goes. I hope you're well. Subscribe for more videos from me, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.